Since 1793, Euronext Dublin, previously the Irish stock market, ISE, has served as Ireland's major stock exchange. The Irish Stock Exchange has four markets: the Main Securities Market, which is the main market for Irish and international companies, the Enterprise Securities Market, ESM, which is an equity market designed for growth companies, the Global Exchange Market, GEM, which is a specialist debt market for professional investors, and the Atlantic Securities Market, ASM, which is a market dedicated to companies that want to dual list on both the Irish and international stock exchanges. There are currently 50 companies with shares listed on the markets of the Irish Stock Exchange. The listings are denominated in euros. The Republic of Ireland's economy has a highly developed knowledge economy with high-tech, life sciences, financial services and agriculture, particularly agri-food, as its main sectors. Ireland is an open economy that ranks first in high-value foreign direct investment (FDI) flows, fifth on the Index of Economic Freedom. Ireland is ranked 4th out of 186 countries in the IMF table and 4th out of 187 countries in the World Bank table in terms of GDP per capita. Chargeable profits resulting from the sale of shares are subject to Irish CGT at a rate of 33% for non-Irish residents only when the corporation derives the majority of their capital assets for the purposes of commerce carried on in Ireland through a permanent establishment. As a result, if the value of the shares in the Irish business is not derived from Irish land, buildings, mineral or exploration rights, no Irish CGT will be imposed on the individual's disposal of the shares in the Irish business. Information about Irish stocks is easily available. Stock research data can be found in the economy section of the Central Statistical Office website, as well as the economic sentiment indicators published by the European Union. First, with more than 100 regions covered, you can learn more with the Exotic Markets book available on Amazon. Second, you can explore sector and industry intelligence for different countries by going to pervasives.com. If you have an issue in relation to accounting and tax with foreign stocks, you can contact us by going to our website.